Hey guys, welcome back. Today's look is going to be a glossy lid, and I'm super excited to do this because I've been wanting to do this for a while, to be honest. And I'm sure you've seen this look many times on the runway, fashion magazines, and basically anywhere that's super editorial. All right, let's get started. So first I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow, and I'm using Morphe Talkin Flirty 18F. And I did a little review. If you're interested, you could check it out in the description up here, down here. So I'm gonna apply an eyeshadow, and I'm thinking maybe I wanna go with a pink or a purple. As you can see, there's like a lot of pretty colors here. So I'm gonna go with a lilac color right here. With a fluffy or flat brush, I'm gonna apply it just on the eyelids right here. So the trick is you apply it from the inner corner and all the way to your outer corner of your eye. So make sure whatever color that you use, it's super pigmented, which is why I went with the Morphe. I think they just pop. The thing about this, you could just use one color to achieve this glossy look. And it's super simple and super easy. And I'm gonna do that to the other eyelid. I'm just gonna add this lighter shade in the inner corner of my eye. Now, if you have any fallouts, you could just use a little fan brush and just brush it off gently. Now, if you're feeling a little adventurous, you could add a little bit of color right under your lashes right here, which I'm gonna do. Again, this is totally optional. And again, I'm going with the lighter shade, lilac color, and just applying it right under. And then right under the corner of my lashes, I'm gonna use the darker shade just to give it a little bit more depth. Now here's the trick. Before adding your gloss, you need to apply your mascara and wait for it to dry. If you apply it when it's wet, then it might be messy and it's just gonna stick all over. See right here? I already have like a little smear mark right here. So that is why you should add your gloss towards the end. So if you have any sort of cleanups, you could just do that, and then the gloss is the very last step. Wait for it to dry and reapply. Now that the mascara is dry, I'll be diving into Shiseido Clear Gloss. And this is a type of gloss you could use on your lips, on your eyelids. And with a flat brush, I'm gonna apply this to my hand right here. Take a little. So keep in mind, do not put the gloss really close to your lashes, otherwise it would be like too sticky. And here we go. Alright, now I want you to take a look at the difference between a flat matte look compared to a glossy wet lid. And here's the look. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please leave a like below. If it's your first time here, then welcome. And if you want to see more of this, please subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.